Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We got Fernando behind the camera, and in front of us is an Audi S4. It's a 2010. It's had one owner, and this car is completely built. So much to go through. The one owner definitely had an enjoyable time turning this into just a stealthy street fighter. This one does have the 3.0 and a manual, 6-speed manual transmission, 3.0 engine, but we'll get into a lot of the mods he has done. I want to talk about the miles briefly. It's under 41,000 miles, and it's 40,897 with that on the chassis. So what he's done is he sent it to EuroCode in California, Torrance, and just did a rowdy build. Not only did he do the engine, he did it right, where he did suspension, brakes, and everything to back it up. So the engine was built to the tune of complete rebuild to the tune of $38,000 on that, and it's only seen 2,100 miles since that rebuild. So they did, I have a full list of all the parts on that. Everything, obviously at that price point, is going to be top-notch, Carrillo pistons, rods, etc. So while they're in there, they did all the other services that typically an Audi coming up on this sort of miles would need. That has obviously been done. So fresh. And then within that, we'll open up the engine here. As we get around, let's kind of go over and kind of show the quality of the car, its lack of damage, scuffs, etc. But they've got, if you want, a Magnuson supercharger on there with the EPR supercharger coolant performance system. The transmission is EuroCode short throw shifter, and it does have the twin plate race clutch on that. It's got the EuroCode flywheel and lightweight crank pulley. Within that, they also did the suspension, really expensive stuff. We got some good underneath shots with the KW Coilover Kit, and they've got subframe cross braces on there, aftermarket sway bars, and SPC Adjustable Control Arms. So that handles the suspension with all this power, and you need the brakes to be able to stop it, and that was addressed as well, and that's with the Stoptech Big Brake Kit. Huge calipers. It's a 6-piston caliper, 2-piece slotted rotors. So what I like about this car is that even though it's a 2010, you look at it and the styling is just a classic. I like the fact that it's a 4-door sedan. You can put people in the back, and then that extra wheelbase from a coupe definitely helps the stability as well. So it is a car that will certainly challenge most things on the road, but at the same time, if you show up for dinner, you're looking in complete style as well. We'll take a look at the interior, and that is just as nice as the exterior of the car. Full leather and suede, all factory, the seating, carpet, headliner, etc., which you'd expect on a 2010. We do a lot of older vehicles, so you never know what's factory, what's not, other than the parts that we talked about. So, like I said, gentleman owned, not kid owned, to be able to put that kind of money into a car. And so the interior, exterior is just going to reflect that as well. Go ahead and pop the hood, take a look. And we'll turn it on, give it a listen. Go through some lights and brake lights, etc. Just show you all that is functioning. And that is a massive supercharger. That big V6 it's sitting on top of. Just a really clean build, clean installation, professionally done. Obviously EuroCode knows what they're doing. And they've done, well, I'll take a listen. What are we missing? Did you miss any lights?
No.
Okay. You're back there for one. I maybe got confused.
I like the angle. It was beautiful.
Okay, you were just enjoying yourself. Okay. I was making sure I didn't miss anything. So within here, you also have heated seats, dual climate control, and then big screen including nav. You've got XM Sirius ready to go, audio controls on the wheel. All the gauges are bright. One touch on the roof. One touch close, which is nice. Stiff suspension, but at the same time, it's not a hard ride. Yeah, it can get going. I'm just watching your face being like, Shep, when can I drive?
They're going right through that fence.
I know.
It's got great brakes.
It does. We need to take this out on the runway.
We do.
That would be the appropriate place on this.
Stops
This
on
would
a
be a
dime.
tour de force car.
Oh yeah.
describe it. Really just mellow. It does have really good manners.
It also has the various driving modes.
Sorry about that. You're trying to show that off, and I'm trying to show off.
So you could definitely just daily it, or you could just cruise down the highway.
Yeah, Autobahn cruiser. So Shep and Fernando here at the Auto Club. Best number to call is 208-721-1973. If you want this one in your garage, just give us a shout. We got an airport 2 blocks away, and we ship all through the United States and around the world. So 208-721-1973. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.